Ricardo Bofill was a truly remarkable architect from Spain. In 1963, he founded his firm Ricardo Bofill Taller de Arquitectura, or RBTA. This firm quickly became known worldwide for its innovative designs. They create buildings that are both bold and beautiful, often challenging traditional ideas. RBTA has worked on many types of projects, including housing, offices, and cultural buildings. The firm has designed structures all over the globe, each showing a deep understanding of space and the people who will use the buildings. RBTA's approach is always fresh and thoughtful, not afraid to experiment with new forms. Bofill's early life and travels greatly inspired him. He studied architecture in Barcelona and Geneva, influenced by classical forms and local traditions. His team at RBTA included architects, poets, and philosophers, shaping the firm's unique style. They believed architecture could change society, visible in many of their projects. Their work aims to create better living spaces. The impact of Ricardo Bofill and RBTA is significant, inspiring architects for many years. Projects like La Fábrica and Walden 7 show his incredible creativity and daring vision. These buildings are more than just structures, they are powerful statements about art and life. Bofill's legacy continues through RBTA's ongoing work, carrying forward his spirit of innovation. La Fábrica is one of Ricardo Bofill's most personal projects. It was once an old abandoned cement factory located just outside Barcelona. Bofill saw potential in its massive, stark structures and decided to transform this industrial ruin. His vision was to create a space for living and working, a bold and unconventional idea. The project began in the early 1970s, with Bofill and his team carefully deconstructing parts of it. They preserved many of the original concrete silos, which became key features of the design. Lush gardens were planted around and within the building, integrating nature with the industrial forms. This created a surprising and beautiful contrast. Today, La Fábrica is the headquarters of RBTA and also served as Ricardo Bofill's own home. The interior spaces are vast and cathedral-like, with sunlight streaming through large, dramatic openings. Rough concrete walls meet refined modern furnishings, creating an atmosphere both monumental and intimate. La Fábrica is a unique masterpiece of adaptive reuse, standing as a testament to Bofill's genius. It shows his belief in the power of transformation, turning a forgotten relic into a vibrant space. The project blends history, industry, and nature seamlessly, challenging our ideas about what a building can be. La Fábrica is more than just an office or a home, it is a statement of architectural philosophy. It continues to inspire awe and admiration, capturing the essence of Bofill's innovative spirit. Walden 7 is another iconic project by Ricardo Bofill. It is a large residential complex near Barcelona, completed in 1975. Bofill aimed to create a new form of urban living, envisioning a vertical community with shared spaces. The building looks like a giant, complex sculpture, inspired by B.F. Skinner's utopian novel. Walden 7 sought to improve social life through design, remaining a striking example of 1970s idealism. The appearance of Walden 7 is truly unique, made of many repeating apartment modules stacked to form tall towers. The entire structure is coated in a warm terracotta color, giving it a distinct, earthy appearance. Inside, there are numerous courtyards and bridges, creating a complex network of public spaces. It feels like a vertical labyrinth waiting to be explored, encouraging movement and interaction. Bofill wanted Walden 7 to foster a strong community, with shared courtyards designed as social hubs. The building included amenities like shops and pools, intended to create a self-contained village. The reality of this social vision has had mixed results, but many residents appreciate its unique character. The building offers a different way of apartment living, providing a strong sense of place and identity. Walden 7's impact on architecture is undeniable, a bold experiment in housing design. The project pushed the limits of what was thought possible with its monumental scale and complex geometry. It challenged the monotonous housing blocks of its era, remaining a powerful architectural statement. Walden 7 continues to be studied by architects and urban planners, a testament to Bofill's daring creativity. The National Theatre of Catalonia is a major cultural landmark in Barcelona. Designed by Ricardo Bofill Taller de Arquitectura, the theatre was inaugurated in 1996. It stands as a modern temple dedicated to the performing arts, combining classical grandeur with modern simplicity. The building has a strong, memorable presence, reflecting Bofill's skill in creating civic architecture. The architectural style of the National Theatre is distinctive, using elements of classical Greek temples. Grand columns and a large pediment are reinterpreted in a modern way, with a facade of white concrete and glass walls. The building has a symmetrical and monumental form, giving it a sense of timelessness and importance. Inside, the theater is designed for excellent performances with a main auditorium offering great acoustics and sightlines. There are also smaller spaces for different types of events, with spacious and elegant public areas. Bofill carefully considered the experience of the visitor, creating a welcoming and inspiring atmosphere. The use of light and materials enhances this feeling, making the theater both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The National Theatre of Catalonia showcases Bofill's versatility, demonstrating his ability to work with historical forms. He masterfully blended these with modern design principles, creating a contemporary creation that respects the past. This project highlights Bofill's deep cultural understanding, becoming an integral part of Barcelona. It is a proud symbol of Catalan culture and identity, contributing significantly to the city's rich architectural landscape. Section 5. The soul of Bofill's architecture, feeling and form. Ricardo Bofill believed architecture should evoke strong emotions, a core part of his design philosophy. His son, Ricardo E. Bofill, now president of RBTA, echoes this, saying good architecture makes you feel deeply. This idea guided much of Bofill's incredible work, aiming to touch the human spirit directly. This philosophy is evident in Bofill's diverse projects, using scale, color, and materials to create unique atmospheres. Each building designed by Bofill tells its own tale, not just functional shells for human activity. They are designed to be experienced and remembered, with storytelling central to Bofill's architectural approach. He believed buildings could narrate complex ideas, speaking of history, culture, or future dreams. Bofill's architecture often feels like a journey, inviting exploration and discovery. His spaces are rich with meaning and suggestion, masterfully integrating history with modernity. Classical elements might appear in very modern contexts, with cultural traditions informing contemporary structures. This layering of influences gives his work depth, making his buildings feel both timeless and new. This approach ensures his architecture resonates widely, connecting with people across different cultures and times. Section 6. Utamo, crafting future experiences in Neom. Utamo is a state-of-the-art performance venue designed for Neom in Saudi Arabia. Located on the Gulf of Aqaba coast, Neom is a huge new development focused on the future. RBTA aims to make Utamo a global destination for arts and culture. The design concept is captivating, telling a story of progress and ambition. The architecture blends seamlessly with the natural landscape. The entrance features a lush garden promenade leading to a grand hall. The venue will host exclusive events, creating a profound emotional impact. This aligns with the Bofill design philosophy more than just a building. It will be an immersive experience, with visitors feeling wonder and excitement. The design focuses on the journey from arrival to performance. Utamo combines nature, technology, and art, promising an unforgettable destination. Utamo is a key part of the ambitious Neom project. It showcases RBTA's innovation in design, creating unique spaces. These spaces inspire and engage, representing the future of entertainment venues. Utamo integrates cutting-edge technology, futuristic and site-connected. RBTA shapes a new vision for the region, contributing to Neom's narrative. Section 7. Neom, a canvas for architectural futures. Neom is a vast mega-development in Saudi Arabia, aiming to create a new model for urban life. The project focuses on sustainability, technology, and innovation. The line is a 170-kilometer-long linear city housed in 2 parallel skyscrapers. Neom represents a bold vision for the future. Leading architecture firms like Ricardo Bofill Taller de Arquitectura are involved. Other renowned studios include Morphosis, Big, Zaha Hadid Architects, OMA, and UN Studio. A total of 23 architecture studios are shaping Neom. Each firm brings its unique expertise and vision. Neom is a massive experiment in future living. It aims to be a hub for new technologies, with sustainability a key principle. The project seeks to create a better quality of life and diversify Saudi Arabia's economy. Neom is being built from the ground up, allowing for radical new approaches to urban planning. It is a place where boundaries are being pushed, with the scale and ambition of Neom truly staggering. RBTA's Utamo venue fits perfectly within Neom's narrative, contributing to the vision of a futuristic region. Utamo will be a landmark of art and culture, with a design both innovative and emotionally resonant. This aligns with Neom's goal of creating unique experiences, with Bofill's firm playing a role in this grand vision. Section 8. Bofill's enduring voice in global architecture. Ricardo Bofill's influence extends far beyond his own projects, a highly respected figure in the architectural world. His unique ideas and bold designs inspired many, with architects and students alike studying his work closely. He challenged conventional thinking about space and form, always deeply human-centered. Bofill believed architecture had a social responsibility, making him a powerful voice in global design. His passing in 2022 was a great loss to the community, with his recognition evident in his many accolades. He was invited to speak at major events such as Surreal, the Festival of Architecture and Interior Designing. Sharing his insights at such forums was important, allowing him to inspire a wider audience. His talks often focused on the power of design, encouraging others to think creatively and boldly. Surreal itself is a significant platform for designers, celebrating design excellence since 2014. The festival is now in its 11th year, with the 2024 edition scheduled for December in Mumbai, India. Events like Surreal bring together creative minds, fostering discussion and the exchange of ideas. Bofill's participation in past events helped elevate them, underscoring the importance of visionary thinking. These platforms continue to shape the future of design, with Ricardo Bofill's distinctive approach leaving a lasting mark. His iconic buildings are studied and admired globally, with projects like La Fabrica and Walden 7 breaking new ground. He inspired generations to be more daring and sensitive to human needs, with his contributions to architectural theory significant. RBTA continues to build on this incredible foundation, carrying his spirit of innovation forward. Section 9. The timeless legacy of an architectural maestro. Ricardo Bofill made immense contributions to architecture, known for his bold experimentation and unique aesthetic. He designed unforgettable buildings, combining grand scale with intricate detail. His iconic structures continue to inspire and provoke thought. Bofill's architecture connects with people, evoking profound emotions. His focus on human experience set him apart. His spaces often feel like immersive environments. They invite contemplation and personal reflection. Projects like La Fabrica and Walden 7 remain incredibly relevant. These buildings feel fresh and innovative. Bofill's work transcends passing trends and styles. Future generations will continue to discover his genius. His vision is carried on by RBTA. The firm builds upon his incredible legacy. Bofill showed that architecture can be a form of poetry. His influence will be felt for many years to come. His beautiful structures stand as his enduring legacy.